Hi guys. So yeah, welcome. Okay, let me search. No, 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 no. Oh, oh. I should remove this camera. Nah, So how are you guys? So basing on the kind of like losses, right? Which I've had, yeah, which I've had in the previous time, yeah. In a few days, what day was it? Let me see. Is it 3 days ago? Oh, it's almost a week. It's almost a week which I've been blowing a lot. So I cannot say 3 days ago. Yes, 3 days ago. Let me just focus on the 3 days which I've been losing. Yeah. Which so basing on the losing days, right? Which I blow to the last penny in my bank. Yeah, I just in fact I have a backup the 15 pound which I've been left with and my few coins which are kind of like which are kind of like £3. Yeah, I don't know if I will have any emergency through the week for in work. I don't know, but well, I'm just hopeful for the near future or weeks or months that I will watch recover. So besides that, right, I've been thinking since I cannot trade, since I cannot even take any opportunity to enter in the market, right? So for the days which I'll be, yeah, as you can see, this kind of sort of dots, right, shows that this is the period where I've last been trading. These are the previous activities. And the market was in a downtrend, was going down, 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 was in descending, was it bearish? Yeah. So the market was bearish and I was all continuing putting in the trades hoping that the market will spike, but it didn't spike. So these are the things which I should be looking at during my broke time, where I've now sent to put in the market and see where I went wrong. Maybe it will help me when I get some funding from the money which I will earn from my work. Yeah. So I'll try to squeeze in as much as I can time to understand where I went wrong and see where how I can take a opportunity to enter the market when the market is kind of like spiking upwards or going upwards, such as um, these levels. Starting from this level, as you can see, starting from that level, the market was just going upward, and there was a time where it descended. When it was now descending, that's when I was trading and I was losing the money, which I don't want to just do that, man. If okay, if the whole part here was not showing, okay, let me try to do this. If the whole part here was not showing, right, and the market was like this, I was going to think that the market is, you know what, is going to continue going down. But as you can see, the market respected this kind of like zone and it continued what? It now continued going down, going upwards from that point. Why is this not working? So these are the kind of like the support zone the market expected. If I can identify this kind of like support area, right, and optimize it and enter some huge trade, right? Let me open a good what? Let me zoom in. Yeah, here. If I could optimize these opportunities, right, and enter the market and enter as much trade as I can, which might help me to it might help me to what, to recover. If let's say if I identify that the market is about to what, to go up basing on its previous respecting is basing it on respecting the other support area. I would just what enter my trades, hold on them, and you hoping that well the market will what will kind of like go to the same areas which each has been as a TP. And I think by then I'll be able to recover if I enter my trades here going upwards. So let me now look at boom 500, right? Let me go at it where I entered a huge risk of 45 what floor size 45. Yes, that's crazy. That's insane. No one does this. Only just me with a poor mindset or a poor risk management or a poor eyesight to identify where to enter. So let me try to do this, drag it and drop it on the chart. It doesn't work. I wanted to know where I entered this order. So let's see if I can go on properties, show trading history. Yeah. Now let me try to clear everything. List all, clear all the trading history. And let me try to drag and drop this one. Oh, it doesn't show. I thought it shows where I entered and exited. Well, it doesn't. So I have to enter it manually. So it seems like I bought at a 450 4,450. That's where I entered as a buy. Just imagine who does that, entering a buy at that area. You know, the market is in an uptrend. Then the market went down to 443. Let me put it somewhere here around this. Let me check when was it. When was it when it happened? It happened on the 8th and the 5 August. 5 August what? At 1 o'clock. Around 1 o'clock. Oh no, 1:48. Let me search. Oh, it says 13:45 around this. As you can see, that's where I entered my yes, my stupid risk. Let me go at it. That's where is it? It's like I entered it 1348 1348 around this. And the market was what? Was going down, guys. It was just going down and I just is it possible to show on chart to show like where I just entered and what? Show on chart. Yes. Come on. I have to go to the same 5 August. This was the trade. As you can see, no. Where's the 5 August? As you can see, this was the trade. As you can see, no. Forgive me. This video is not in order. It's now wrong. Same as I feel. Like now wrong. So around 13 something. As you can see, this with the boom. I have to put in a higher. on a
buy now, sell now, not this.
okay,
I cannot identify where I
buy
was
now,
executing.
sell no, not this.
Around this
I
point.
cannot identify where I was
As you can
executing.
see, if I try to put a box right around here,
Around
let me
this
see
point.
what was I
As you can see,
thinking.
if I try
How
to
dumb am
put
I to just
a box right around here,
end a
and
trade?
let me see
Okay, let's see.
what was I
That is
thinking.
where I was.
Wow, how dumb am I to just end a trade?
And the market
Okay,
went
let's see.
spiked after
That
making
this is
me
where I
blow
was.
money. As you can see, I entered what?
And the market
Uh,
were spiked after
entered what?
making
A
me
buy
blow
position,
my
right?
money.
Then the market
As you
what
can see, I entered what?
went
Uh,
down, spiked a little bit, went
what? A
down
buy
and
position,
threw
right?
me away from the market.
Then
And
the
it
market,
spiked. What?
what? Went down.
Oh,
Went down,
man,
spiked a
this
little
is
bit,
stressful. Now it's
went down
stressing me
and
more than it's
throw
stressing
me
the
away from the
market.
market, and it spiked. What?
So this is the area.
Oh,
I
this
actually
is
bought
just
this
stressful.
area,
Now it's
right? As you can
stressing me
see,
more than
here
it
is
stressed me
the
that
position.
certain
Now
day.
here is the position
So
where
this
I
is the
bought
area.
risk, right? And in boom
I
500.
actually bought
Then
this
the market
area, right? As you can see,
continued
here
going down,
is the
and it
position.
was
No,
going to
here
what,
is the position where I
200,
bought risked, right? In the boom
$287.
500.
And
Then the market
surprisingly,
went continued going down, and it
closing
was
me
going to
out,
what?
it spiked like what the. It's
$287
like
loss. And surprisingly,
maybe if I was a good
after
trader,
closing me out,
one
and it
who
spiked like
sees
what the?
how the market goes, I would
It
have
spiked.
risked it here at this point, right?
Maybe if I
How the
was
market go
a
up,
good
but
trader,
no,
right? Maybe a
I'm a
one
dumb person.
who sees
No,
how the market goes, I would have risked it here at this point, right? Hoping the market go up. But well, I'm such a
This is not so
dumb
good.
person that I
This was
wouldn't.
the area
No, I
which
will
made
be.
me to blow.
I
There's something
I
happened
will
to
try
boom
to
1000.
undown myself. This
I
is
just
not
couldn't.
so good.
It's
This
making me
was the
waste. I
area
just can't.
which led me to
Let me
blow.
just go back and
And the
prepare
same thing
so that
happened
I
to
can
Boom 1000.
go to my morning shift. I
I
just
just
waste
think
time here.
it's much more waste. I
Bye bye
just
for now.
can't.
Hope you have a pleasant
Let me
day.
just go back and prepare so that
I
I can
hope you'll be
go to
much
my
more
morning
better
shift.
trader
I've
because
just lost time here.
this world
Guys,
takes some
bye for
time.
now. Hope you have a pleasant
You
day.
need to be a very kind of like a
And I
good
hope
skills
you'll
set that
be
helps
much
you.
more better trader because here.
Let me end this video
This
right now
world things
so
are
that I
tight.
can go work.
You need to be
Yeah,
have a kind of like a
I
good
should
skill
stop
set
at the
that
same time so
helps
that
you.
I know
Well,
where I stopped.
let me end this video right now so that I can go work. Yeah, I should stop at the same time so that I know where I stop.